This 2022 American Coach American Eagle 45G is a Class A RV. It is located in Dover, FL 33527 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used American coach is 45 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 3, Slideout, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, outdoor entertainment, rear bath. This 2022 American Coach American Eagle 45G is built on a Liberty Bridge Freightliner chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.